The difference between education and training can be hard to distinguish, especially in the kitchen exhaust cleaning industry, because make no mistake about it, the two are different. Everyone has heard the old verse, give a man a fish, feed him today, teach a man to fish, you feed him for life. Simply put, we train our technicians for better performance, we educate our technicians to improve their understanding and knowledge. If someone is to be successful in any type of training, that individual must invest some level of education into the field of interest. Therefore, it can be said, training cannot occur without education. One of the biggest differences is that training is learning by doing, while education is learning to gain better comprehension. While both education and training are vital to organizational development and well-rounded technicians, keep in mind it's difficult to have one without the other. KC Concepts has strived to deliver the most comprehensive e-learning content to the kitchen exhaust cleaning industry, and technicians, supervisors, salespeople, and office staff within that industry can all benefit.